Dollar Canadian dollar daily forecast for May 22nd by Christopher Lewis at FX Empire. Dollar CAD broke down during the day on Friday, slicing through pretty significant support as we reach towards the 1.35 level. Now, the first thing that I would bring to your attention is on a weekly chart, we've been in an uptrending channel, and it looks like we're just going to go looking for the bottom of it. So I am very negative of this market short term. Longer term, I think that we have a couple other things to pay attention to. Oil did rally, and I think that also, of course, is going to continue to put bearish pressure and probably will for the next several sessions. But oil only has so far to go because as OPEC cuts production, extends production cuts, it's just going to bring more Canadian and U.S. crude into the market. So I think that's a short-term catalyst. Longer term, I have some concerns about the Canadian housing market. We are starting to see some cracks in the lending, and things are looking very reminiscent of 2008. Now, Canada's a much smaller bomb than the U.S. for the financial markets, but it will be played out in the Canadian dollar, so I am watching that. As a side note, I'll be in Toronto next weekend. I will be paying attention to all of those cranes I saw on the 6th last year. They're everywhere building condos, and one has to wonder how many high-end buyers there really are. So very interesting to see what that brings, Toronto being the largest housing market in Canada. So with that, I think short term we get a selling opportunity, but once we get close to the bottom of the channel, I don't see any reason why we won't continue to go higher. Alternately, if OPEC does not extend cuts or strengthen cuts, then we could see this turn around almost immediately. Above the 1.36 level, I'd be a buyer as well.